Imagine unlocking a secret code that catapults you into a realm of financial freedom and prosperity. Wealth isn't merely about having money, it's about managing it wisely to ensure it grows and sustains you and your loved ones. The Vital Wealth Code isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a systematic approach that, when followed diligently, leads to the accumulation and preservation of wealth. Through this video, we'll explore simple, actionable steps to build and maintain your wealth effectively. Let's embark on this transformative journey together, unlocking the doors to financial security and freedom. The foundation of enduring wealth lies in understanding and applying a few core principles. First, wealth building begins with living below your means. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Another pivotal principle is the power of compounding interest. By investing your savings and allowing your returns to generate further earnings, your wealth grows exponentially over time. Diversification is the third key principle. Spreading your investments across various asset classes reduces risk and enhances potential returns. Financial education is critical. Staying informed empowers you to make smarter financial decisions. Long-term wealth accumulation requires strategic planning and consistent action. One effective strategy is goal-oriented investing. By setting clear, measurable financial goals, you can tailor your investment strategies to meet specific milestones. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs, 401ks, or HSAs. Risk management is crucial. Diversify your portfolio and protect your wealth through insurance and estate planning. Regular monitoring and rebalancing of your portfolio is essential. This proactive approach preserves and enhances your wealth over time. By adopting these strategies, you ensure that your wealth grows and remains resilient. Common financial mistakes to avoid. One common mistake is failing to plan. Without a clear financial plan, it's easy to make impulsive decisions that compromise your long-term financial health. Another frequent error is neglecting to invest early. The power of compounding interest means that the sooner you start investing, the more your money can grow. Living beyond one's means is a critical mistake to avoid. By maintaining a modest lifestyle and prioritizing saving and investing, you safeguard your financial future. Many individuals fail to educate themselves about financial matters. Investing in your financial education is crucial. It enables you to make decisions with confidence and precision. Practical steps for implementing the Vital Wealth Code. Start by setting clear, realistic financial goals. Create a budget that reflects your financial goals and stick to it. Regularly review and adjust your budget to accommodate changes in your income or expenses. Invest in building your financial knowledge. Automate your savings and investments. Automation makes wealth accumulation a part of your routine. By following these practical steps, you can effectively implement the Vital Wealth Code in your life. Conclusion and call to action. Embracing the Vital Wealth Code is about creating a secure, prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. This journey requires commitment, discipline, and a proactive approach to personal finance. Start today by assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, and educating yourself about financial opportunities. The path to wealth is within your reach. Take the first step today and unlock the potential of the Vital Wealth Code in your life. Let's make the dream of financial freedom a reality for everyone.